Well, you know what, Jasmine? After I really think about it, there is one thing that I will say that you have that I am jealous of. And that one thing, Jasmine, are you ready for this? That one thing is your editing skills. You are serious when it comes to editing. That is it. Nothing else that I could think of I would be jealous of you about. Not at all. So hopefully we've cleared that up, because I have heard you mention this inside of your lives, your videos, the jealousy word. All right. And we're done with it. See, Jasmine, I have actually told you this over and over and over. All right. That the reactors, we are not the ones that you should be worried about. We are not at all. Now, I'm going to tell you something. YouTube has reactors. Now, when you start dealing with addresses, when you start dealing with doxing, that comes from a whole nother site. And y'all know exactly what I am saying. I know, Jasmine, that it takes a lot for you to do critical thinking. It takes a lot for you to put on your listening ears, because I'm gonna have to bring it to a child level. It takes a lot for you to put on your listening ears, your critical thinking, and most of all, your undivided attention. All right. There have been reactors that have had their address and all of that exposed as you. There have been reactors that people call doxing them, because one is me. Let's not forget it, that, you know, it was told that I was getting a check for IBS that everybody knew I already had. And anybody in their correct mind would know if you have IBS, that is something like basically saying that you have eczema. That is like saying that, you know what I mean, you have asthma. That is like saying that, you know, you have acne. Yet, like acne, that would be like me, Jasmine, saying that you could get a check, a disability check, for your acne. And I know you are looking at the screen. Hopefully you are looking at this screen and you know you get it, and you get what I'm saying. Because Jasmine, I know how you look and how you think. I might get off of this live and you might be at the doctor's office trying to see if you could get a disability check for your acne. I mean, I'm just saying, Jasmine. And it's like, you already know, Jasmine, who is calling the CPS on you. You already know. I done told you about 15 times. If you don't go and get Aiden and Ava away from your cell phone, away from, you know, your windows, your balcony, because I'm trying to tell you, it is Ava and Aiden. I'm trying to tell you clearly, they are like, look, somebody get me away from this lady, please. I'm tired of being locked up in our room. I'm tired of not having no lights on. You know, only time I get light is when I go outside. You know, I'm tired. I'm tired of waking up and peeping around the corner and seeing my mom on the floor crawling. I'm tired of peeping around the corner, seeing my mom in, you know, a whole yellow, sexy nighty romper, and Chris behind her smacking her buttocks. Yeah, that's what they saying. They saying I'm tired. They saying I'm tired of, you know, washing my own hands, but my mom doesn't wash her hands. They tired. They tired. I'm trying to tell you, they tired. I'm so tired. Girl, you better go get Aiden and Ava, because I'm trying to tell you, they get ready to have you in the world of trouble. I bet you Aiden and Ava like in the bedroom with each other, because I think you had both of them together in a twin bed. And see, that's the thing. Instead of you getting on here and letting Chris smack you on your ass and, you know, come on here weeded, coming on here like you ain't never ate no goddamn drumstick in the day of your life, like you never had a sausage, like you drinking out of bottles and shit like a fucking wino. I'm trying to tell you, Jasmine, it is. I'm trying to tell you. It is them damn twins, girl. Them twins? Girl, they'd have been through high water and hell and back, all right? And I'm trying to tell you to go ahead, Jasmine, and do what you need to do, because in 2021, them twins, they already done told me. They already sent me an email. They already done sent me an email saying, look, I know you're a reactor. All I'm asking you to do is just go ahead and put our story out. I mean, that's what they sent me the email. And you know what I'm saying? At first, I wasn't going to react on it. I wasn't going to respond. But yeah, Jasmine, Ava and Aiden, they not playing with you in 2021. And they already told me this too. They said, you know what? You better get Chris. Because we around here with sore throats and sneezing, ears aching, because he come over here and he want the, you know, the air conditioner on 60. You get what I'm saying? Y'all already know we run around with no clothes on. So now our mother got us in here with snowsuits on. That's what they said, Jasmine. They said you got them in there with snow suits on, scarves, gloves, mittens, hats, boots. And I believe them, Jasmine, because you already was sitting at your table, at your little desk that you call, you know, your little office right there in the corner, and you were doing a live. And in this live, you showed us that you had a comforter set. You had a bed and a bag wrapped around you. Yes, you did. And you know, I mean, it's just getting a lot, Jasmine. It really is. But, like I say, I don't know, you know what I mean, what to tell you. I really don't know. But like I said, 2021 is coming in. So you have a couple months. You got November and you got December to, you know, sit back and really do some thinking. All right. So with that being said, y'all, I am going to see you guys in the next... Oh, wait a minute, Jasmine. I forgot about this part, girl. You tell... Did Chris call you an Amazon? I'm not even going to laugh. And he had the nerve to call you a linebacker. Now, what I'm going to say to you, Jasmine, because, I mean, you smile and you think it's, no, that's not cute. That's not a good adjective, you know, to describe any type of woman. I mean, you basically sitting there like this. Chris, yeah. I look like an Amazon. He said, Mommy, guess what he said, Mom? He said, Miss Cheryl, guess what he said? He said, I look like a linebacker. And you see my face? That's how we were looking. Okay. So, we just going to go ahead and call you here on out Amazon Jazz, the linebacker. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. Jasmine, the CPS Queen. I will see you guys in my next video. Later.